Hello, this is a quick video to show how to install add-ons in Blender. I'm using Blender 4.2. There is a new setting for installing add-ons and activating add-ons in Blender 4.2. Now we can go to Edit and go to Preferences. And then we can go to Add-ons. And here we can show the add-ons that we installed. If we don't find the add-ons here, we can go to Get Extensions and then show available. Here we can find many add-ons that we can install. For example, we can search Archimesh, and then we can search Archimesh here, and Archimesh is add-ons for generating rooms, doors, windows, and other architectural objects. We can find the tutorial in this channel to show how to use Archimesh to build the architecture project. Now, if you want to install it, we can click Install. Then we can go back to add-ons and we can find Archimesh is installed. Here we can uncheck the box to inactivate it or check the box to activate the add-ons. Now we can open it to get more information. For example, we can go to the website and we can get more information for Archimesh add-ons, and we have the alternative way to download the add-ons here. Now I minimize this window and go back to Blender. So the Archimesh add-ons is activated. We can go to the side panel and go to Create. We can find the Archimesh add-ons here. So this is how we can install add-ons and activate add-ons in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.